enhancing inhalation therapy through real-time monitoring of inspiratory airflow, an experimental study using the Tokiko Inhalation Monitor by Hiroyuki Ohbaishi, Seira Horikoshi C, Kazunori Ishizuki, Toko Okura, Sahori Kudo, Osamu Furuta, and Mitsu Ariga. Background: inhalation therapy is a pivotal treatment method for asthma and cough, as indicated in major international guidelines. An inhalation pattern is conventionally communicated to each patient by imaging verbal expression. As such, inhalation instructions may be ambiguous. A new inspiratory airflow velocity measurement monitor, Tokiko Inhalation Monitor, TIM, can visualize real-time inhalation patterns. Purpose: the primary purpose of the study is to evaluate the usefulness of the TIM as a new type of patient education machine for inhalation instruction in routine clinical practice. Methods: after the responsiveness, accuracy, and reproducibility of the TIM were verified, the differences between conventional verbal inhalation imaging and real-time instructions using the TIM were evaluated. 6 healthy subjects, mean age 59.7 plus or minus 10.4 years, male to female ratio 3/3, were given various verbal images of the inhalation method, and then individually measured the pattern of air inhalation. Inhalation patterns using the real-time TIM and inhalation of conventional language images were compared using total inhalation volume and inhalation flow rate as indicators. The statistical significance level was set at 5%. Within-group comparisons were analyzed as non-parametric data using the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test. Results: when the inhalation method was conveyed in words, the inhalation pattern differed depending on each subject's interpretation. By self-adjusting with repeated inhalation exercises with the TIM, total inhalation increased significantly to 1.90 plus or minus 0.28 L. P is equal to 0.046 Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test, compared to the 1.66 plus or minus 0.39 L obtained during verbal imaging, while maintaining an adequate maximum inhalation flow rate of 62.2 plus or minus 14.5 L min. Conclusion: using the TIM to perform inhalation exercises while drawing real-time inhalation patterns can increase the potential and effectiveness of self-regulating inhalation, thus making inhalation therapy more clinically useful. To achieve the benefits of TIM, more detailed investigations of long-term outcomes are needed to expand to larger sample sizes and more diverse populations for broader applicability. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.